Alright, so the first step is to ensure that the pork is properly cleaned. So we are removing the fat because we need the meat to cook properly or cook faster. I think, yeah, faster.
So now we're going to season our pork chops. Gonna add a little salt, not much, just a little salt. And by a little, mean quite a bit. Some black pepper, not a lot. Don't watch the Maggi buckle. It's actually garlic powder. Some garlic powder. Kinda like garlic, so I'm gonna use a lot. And some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. And that's pretty much it. Don't be afraid, nice clean hands, season your meat. Make sure your meat is seasoned properly. Meat for clean and meat for season. So I'll show you guys when it's in the pot. Pot is nice and hot. We're gonna place the pork chops in now. So you place away from yourself. So we're just gonna sear that on a medium-high heat for 5 minutes per side, just to be on the safe side.
Okay. Ooh. Are we here and stuff? Okay.
Currently, this is my pork chop, and I'm doing a side of fries to go with it. Just gonna here. So this is what the finished product looks like. With a side of fries and a pork chop. I finished it off in the oven.